What is up, everybody? My name is Comics and it's another vlog. Hello. I know. I said I'm gonna have a vlog earlier, but it's not. I didn't manage to make it that early. So, first of all, I want to say thanks everybody for the previous video. You guys did amazing. Currently, the latest video that I made is the highest views since upload. So I'm really appreciating it. Thank you so much, guys, for checking it out, for having a look, for liking, for commenting. This is great. We're slowly growing, you know, the YouTube thing that I'm doing. I'm just saying. No, but seriously. Today, as you probably see it from the title, I'm gonna show you guys the thing that I wanted to show you actually last time, but I forgot. Yes. I forgot. Don't at me, okay? I forgot. Happens. Duh. No, seriously. So it's the last week. I'm gonna put it this way first. It's the last week before I'm going on vacation, okay? And it's gonna be hectic. It's gonna be stressful. It's gonna be a lot of shit happening. I'm gonna turn into Scooby LZ. It's like Adam LZ, but it's me, LZ. Hey, I'm a vlogger now. No, but seriously, there's gonna be a lot of stuff happening, a lot of things that I have to finish. I'm really short on time to finish everything. I'm just praying to God that I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna finish everything as planned. Okay, but yeah, first of all, as you saw in the title, it's about my new exterior parts. It's the front. It's kind of like a front bumper, but it's not a bumper. It's actually a lip, like a splitter. Splitter, that's the word exactly. It's a splitter, but for some reason on the Mark IVs, the splitter is like half of the actual bumper, which is super odd. Okay, so I was searching for this for a while, and I was like, I never saw anyone pulling it off. In the US, the Mark IV got a GLI front splitter and side skirts, and in the back there's like a back splitter as well. And in the US there was a GLI. Now this is kind of like the GLI, but it's the European version, and there's a slight difference, and I'm gonna show you guys. So look at this. So, as I said, this is the front splitter. And as you can see, it's not in really the best condition. It's really hard to find them. They're kind of rare and they're kind of expensive here in Europe. So as you can see, it was fixed, okay? From the inside. So the guy who had it, he probably cracked it, but he fixed it. And I got a really good price on it. So I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna take it. Usually they're going for like 250 up to 300 euros. And they're not even colored. So that's pretty pricey for stuff like that. And we're talking for like not even original ones, like directly from the car. This one is an original one, but as I said, it was cracked, and it was fixed. Now, currently what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be fixing that part, and we're gonna be painting it. Okay. So for today, I'm planning on sanding everything. There's still color on it. So I need to remove all that color, sand it, and then prepare it for actual paint. And we're gonna be probably painting it tomorrow, I guess. But yeah, for now, I have to sand everything here, so it's ready to be painted. Okay. But yeah, I'm pretty excited because I never saw a Mark IV Jetta / Bora in Europe with this kind of front splitter. So I'm super excited to see how this is gonna look. I think it's gonna look crazy good. To the front lip, there are as well side skirts, okay? As well, original, as I said, they are originally from the Mark IV Golf. and it's the 20th anniversary. That's basically the 20th anniversary kit, okay? And there are side skirts as well, and they fit the Bora / Jetta as well. I did test fit them, and they fit perfectly fine. Now those are in better condition, okay? They are painted. It's the same color as my car. They're kind of dirty though, but that's all. I'm not gonna paint them at this point because there's other things on my car that really need to be fixed as well. So this is gonna be like, I'm gonna fix it on. It's gonna be on the car. It's gonna give the look, but it's not gonna look perfectly like car show, show car. Word, show car. They're not gonna look like show car. Okay, they're gonna look used. There you go. They're gonna look used, okay? Because it's a used car. Maybe sometime next year I'm gonna do a full paint job on the car. Until then, I'm just gonna run it as it is, okay? Fine. Now let me show you the side skirts. So they're basically not nothing crazy, nothing special, okay? They're just gonna be more aggressive, and they're gonna get sorry. So basically, there you go. You probably don't see what I'm trying to show you here, but what they are is a bit longer. So my side skirts, originally on the car, they finish like here, let's say, okay? While this one goes even more lower. So you get a bit more lower with the side skirts and a bit more aggressive. And they fit to the side. So the line of, like the bottom line of the car is more equally done. For the back, I didn't find anything what I want. I'm just gonna be running whatever I currently have until I find something I want, okay? But yeah, as I said, side skirts, both things are in used condition, but I'm happy because it's both OEM stuff. And I can just use the side skirts. There's not a lot of work that I have to put into them. And then the front splitter needs some work, but come on, it's not that much work, okay? I have the colors, primer, and how do you call it? The clear coat. The clear coat. I will be doing that in probably today. Priming the stuff. Priming? Bro, my English again. So today and tomorrow I will be working on the front bumper. I have to prime it. I have to sand it and then prime it and then put the color coat on and then the clear coat. And then on Wednesday the plan is to put everything on the car. Okay, so on Wednesday my plan is that everything needs to be on the car, done, completed. Okay, so the plan is to have 3 more people helping me out on Wednesday, so we can finish everything, because I will not have anyone to help me out on Thursday and Friday. And I just want to be done before I go on vacation with everything and have everything fixed. Okay. I was today buying stuff, so you have to glue the side skirts on the car. So I was picking that up. Today I picked up as well some sandpaper for the front bumper, and as well I did I brought the tires, and the wheels are now at a shop where they are gonna be mounting them on top, because I don't have anywhere to do that, and they're gonna do that for me, and I still have to work, and I don't have time, Chad, okay? I don't have time, okay? It's just I'm out of time. I know I was planning it poorly, but hey, it is what it is, okay? There should be, the wheels should be done on Wednesday as well. So I'm gonna be going to pick up wheels on Wednesday, fitting everything. Wednesday's gonna be a crazy day, but I think the end progress and the end products, what we're gonna be looking at, is gonna be probably really freaking cool, okay? I will now go and work on that. I'll bring you guys, I'll show you guys once it's finished, how it looks. And then I will catch you guys tomorrow. when we're gonna put the color code, because this is gonna be like a too short video. So I'm gonna put today and tomorrow together, and then Wednesday is probably gonna be a one-part video long, or like 2 videos. I'm gonna be splitting them. I don't know. I'll decide. Okay. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys once it's everything coded and ready. Okay. Peace.
There's a voice in the back of my head, second guessing everything that I've said. I've been feeling kinda strange lately. I think I lost myself completely. Never count on me. Never count on me.